Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some chicken wings on the Weber 22 with the slow and sear, and we're using Uncle Steve's shake, the sweet and spicy R, and a secret number 3. Check it out.
I'm so sorry you're choked and I'm not.
So once I hit these chicken wings with that sweet and spicy R, I got to thinking I should have just used that secret number 3 from Uncle Steve's shake. And either way, the both together complemented very well on these chicken wings. Rock on. Use whatever seasoning, dressing, whatever you like on chicken wings. And I like to keep mine whole. You can cut them up, and I just like them whole. Rip them apart, eat them, get them nice and crispy. And it only take about an hour, hour and a half, about $2.75 on the Weber Kettle. Easy to do. And yeah, I like using that 22 again. Woo! It is hot. It's so damn hot. So we got some chicken wings with some Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R, and a secret rub that he's working on right now. We're calling it number 3. Let's try it out. We got some Frank's Red Hot chili and lime. Oh, I love Frank's. Give it a splash. Oh, hell yeah. Nice crispy skin. But do you know that Frank's chili and lime, as soon as I bit into it, would have paired so perfectly with Gator Shake. I went a little wrong. But hey, they're delicious. Oh, yeah. Yeah. This is pretty good. First time I ever tried it. And, yeah, it would have paired perfectly with Gator Shake. So go get yourself some grub and make something awesome new today and join the Beer Champ Nation. Leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.